Welcome once again to our channel Invest in Bharat Stocks. In this channel we are sharing our study about different stocks which we think that in coming future they will give us good returns. Now our time horizon, our time period we have taken from 3 to 5 years, but as you see our previous stocks, they appreciated more than 100% also within 3 months. Like we discussed Morpen Labs and we suggested it at rupees 13. We discussed at rupees 13 and within period of 2 months it became 30, 33, 34 rupees. So many of our subscribers, they booked profit. And another stock, Sequent Scientific, when we discussed it was rupees 77 rupees and now it is 105 rupees, 110 rupees. So this has also appreciated. But our principle here is that we will only suggest you the fundamentally strong companies. We have to save our capital and increase the profit. So we should not go for speculative gains, and we are suggesting the fundamentally strong companies only. If you have not yet subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe to channel and also share this link with your friends and relatives who are interested and working in the share market, so they will also get some information about some of the good picks that you will not find anywhere easily. So subscribe to the channel and share this with your friends. Now here we will start discussion about our 10th company, 10th stock out of our 40 stock series. Now this company is leading provider of logistics and supply chain services to India's oil, gas and chemical industry. See, India's oil, gas and chemical industry is a very big industry. It is very big industry. The company has built an unrivaled network of liquid and LPG tank terminals at key ports around the coastline of India. They have built it at Mangalore, Kandla, then again Pipavav, at different locations. Those are important. And with an emphasis on safety, environmental standards and high customer service. And they have added the storage facilities also and pipelines also, so that it will be easy for them for handling. The terminals are strategically located at key ports, and in addition, pipelines from the ports to inland demand centers are advantageous for companies' current and upcoming terminals. So in this business there is initial investment, and after that you can get very good returns. After that only handling part is there. Most of the part of the investment is in setting up such types of storage facilities, and after that only what is the logistics, that is the another expense for such types of companies. So here we are discussing our 10th stock in the 40 stock series, and this is educational series, and here we are only discussing our views. If you want to take any position, you want to buy or sell any stock, you have to find the information on your own, discuss with your investment advisors, and after that only you can take any investment decision. Now this company has completed 25,000 KL of liquid capacity at Mangalore port during financial year 18-19. You can see they are in Mangalore port. The company has also approved setting up of additional storage capacity of 50,000 KL, which is expected to be completed by financial year 2020-21. They have announced the setting of additional tankage with the storage capacity at Kandla port. Now you can see that they have at Mangalore port also and Kandla port also, which is expected to be completed in financial year 19-20. The company has also approved addition of bulk liquid tankage at Kochi port. Now you can see at Kochi port also, means Mangalore, Kandla, Kochi port. To cater to the rising demand, the company is setting up new LPG terminal at Kandla. The company is also expanding its LPG storage capacity at Pipavav. With this expansion, the company will retain its leadership position in both liquid and gas terminals. So they have their facilities at all the major ports. And this is initial investment is big, and because of that entry barriers are more. Nobody can easily enter this business. This is very good thing about this company. Financial achievements for financial year 19, profit after tax increased from 213.8 crores to 252 crores, and earning per share also increased rupees 7.55 in financial year 19. Now the share value is rupees 1. The face price is 1 rupee and the earning per share is 7.55 rupees. This is very good thing. Cash and cash equivalents excess of 353 crores and very low debt to equity ratio of 0.04. Its debt is very less. This is a very good thing, nice stock. So even if there is any financial disturbance like COVID and all these types of things, the company will not have any effect on its performance because of this. Now growth opportunity. The company will be adding other logistic capabilities to its terminal facilities to offer better service to key customers. The company will continue to participate in tenders for additional leased land at various ports. Means they want to expand at other ports also. The company continue to make steady progress in expanding our autogas retailing footprint and packed LPG cylinder distribution with the launch of new cylinder packages. The company also wants to enter in the LPG packaging. Now LPG, you know that everybody in household they are using LPG cylinders, and because of that the market is very big. India itself is very big market, and because of that the company is trying to enter, or it may successfully enter in this area also. So there is a good growth opportunity for this company. Now if you see the shares, the promoters have 59.57% stake in the company. This is very good thing, means management is very strong and they are confident about the growth of the company. Banks, financial institutions, LICs, FI, they have 15.17%. Others and general public 25.26%. So price on record date, that is 16th of July, it is 180.8 rupees, and 52 weeks high and low, it is 267.05, high and low is 107.25. Number of shares 339.6 millions. So if you want to take any big position, more shares that are available. Face value is 1 rupees. Dividend per share is 1.7. Free float is 40.43%. Market capitalization 6257.27. PE ratio is 252.47. The company is in the growth phase, so you can see PE ratio is more. Price to book value 3.71 and debt to equity is 0.04. This is a very good and impressive scene. Now if you see the sales growth, initially the sales growth was less, it was negative. In 2015 it was -22%, and in 2016 also -43%, but after that it has picked up. In 2017 it becomes increased by 77.6, then in 18 21.9, and in 19 17.21%. Net sales increased from 3915 crores to 5616. 3915, then 2212, here less, then after that 3930, 4791, 5616. Now steady growth is there. The company is also investing in the assets at different ports, and for a new entrant, for any new company, entry is not easy. It is very difficult. Net profit is also increasing. From 2015 it was 103 crores, then 113, 119, 198 and 221 crores in 2019. So slowly this is also increasing. If you see the fixed assets, they were 554 crores in 2015, then 454 crores in 2015, then 472, 748, 1282 and 1329 crores. Slowly it is increasing. And total assets 937 crores in 2015, then 899, 1994, 2214 and 2429. It means that the company's sales is also increasing, company's total assets are also increasing, debt is reduced, and company has got expansion plan at different location, at all important strategic locations they have covered, and company is going to expand in the LPG sector also. So all these points convince us that this stock will do very good in coming years. Now how you can take this opportunity? First put this in watch list, and if it corrects nicely, then you can enter in the stock. But once again, This is not advice to buy. You can do your own analysis. You have to talk to your investment advisor, and with his help you can take any decision. The company's name is Aegis Logistics Limited. This is A group company. Company is also big, and A group company means its performance was also good. And NSE code is AEGISLOG, BSE code 500003. So you can put this in watch list, do your own study, own analysis, and then you can take any decision. We are starting other services also about the recommendation of stocks, where you can get good recommendation on time to time basis. Maybe when the stocks have corrected, good stocks, you can get these also. If you want to subscribe, just mail to us or write in the comments. And if you want about some of the stocks, but generally we'll give you study about the fundamentally strong stocks only. The stocks were speculative, we are not interested to put you in trouble, because we know that speculators are working and the common person, he may lose money, and we don't want you to lose money, because you can see that even with a very good stock like Morpen Lab, the people have earned or doubled their money within 3 months. So we don't want to take risk, and only fundamentally strong stocks we will suggest. Sequent Scientific also, which is suggested at 77 rupees, or we discussed as 77 rupees, now it is 104 rupees, 105 rupees in more than in less than 3 months. So just subscribe to our channel. If you can share it with your relatives, friends, that will also be good. Once again we'll meet again with new stock. Up to then, take care. Thank you very much.